Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you? This is my cat, Ginger Cat, one of my cat. Today he will be with us to look at the curious yet look simple question. How do we solve two variables with just one equation? For example, this one. Okay. So I expect there are two common answers. Number one, student follow strictly conventional mathematics will say this is an invalid question because we need two equations to solve two variables. Better and smart answers say there are so many, in fact infinite possible answer. You can choose anything of between x and y so that they add up become 2. Okay, such as x equal to 0, y equals to 2, x equal to 2, y equals to 0, or any other thing combined become 2. So let's pick the answer you want. However, both common answer is not so good because this answer tends to avoid, while the second answer tends to have so many different answers from everybody. Now, maybe we change the question. Do we have a systematically max method that everybody get the same answer? Okay, so we will not need to choose any numbers that you like. We do not need to say, oh, this is an invalid question. So there is a method using simple matrix concept. Okay, so first of all, we start from the equation x plus y equals to 2. We can convert to matrix form, and then we define a equals to 1 and 1 over here, while b equals to xy, the variable, and c equals to the output 2. Okay, using simple matrix concept, we have we multiply a inverse in both sides of the equation, because a inverse and a is equal to the identity. So this is what we have as a general answer. Okay, to get b, which is the x and y, you need the a inverse multiply c. But ever since high school, we learn, okay, in order to inverse a matrix, it must be symmetry. However, a is 1 column by 2 row, which is asymmetry matrix. Therefore, conventional method is not able to find the inverse. So let's introduce Moore-Penrose Pseudo Inverse matrix. Okay, it works fine for both symmetry and asymmetry matrix. So this is the equation of the Moore-Penrose Pseudo Inverse matrix. It is equivalent to the transposition of the original A multiplied with another terms, which is the original A multiplied transpose and then inverse. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it in very quick, just a minute or two. Okay, now let's start. We solve the equation part by part. First, we get the original A, multiply the transposition, which is a single row matrix of A, 1 and 1, multiply a single column matrix, 1 and 1, we get a single number 2. Then we get the inverse of it, which is 1 over 2, 0.5. Straightforward. So therefore, we are ready to put it together. This is what we found just now, 0.5. And then this is the original matrix transpose. So this is what we get: a single column matrix with two numbers, 0.5 and 0.5. So let's continue. Having the inverse, meaning that we can get the b, which is the x and y. Why? We have the a inverse now. We have the c. So we multiply together, we get the answer 1, 1. It means x equals to 1, y equals to 1 is a same answer that everybody will get. nobody needs to assume their answer. Nobody has to avoid to say the question is invalid. So x equals to 1, y equals to 1, give us x plus y equals to 2. Yeah. So that solves a dilemma that no answer or too many answer. There is only one answer by using a pseudo inverse matrix method. Okay. So this is a short video. We are about to finish. So now let's double check. How can we be sure A inverse is a truly inverse of the A? So we need to check if the multiplication between the A and the inverse is equal to the identity matrix or not. Okay, so in this case, we just put it together a single row matrix 1, 1, a single column matrix 0.5, 0.5. We get a single number 1, which is an identity. So confirm this method is valid. Okay. So finally, if you like this video or you like my cats, please subscribe, likes and share. If I have 50 likes or increase 20 subscribe, that means you like the video or you like the cats. I will do another video solving 3 variables using 2 equations manually, as well as some programming methods. Of course, the video will come with more cats. Thank you everybody for joining me with the cats. Okay, I see you in the next video. Bye bye.